Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Tina Dynasty here. It's Tosh.
El Jefe Dos Minutos Extabian. Y'all might call me Adam or Big Smoke, whichever one you prefer.
And Elijah.
What's your name?
Elijah.
Okay. All right, so tell them what you are doing here today.
So today we are making lava,
A volcano
a volcano.
for his science fair project.
Yes.
Okay, so what will you need? You're gonna need what? What did I tell you this was?
Tell me.
Vinegar.
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 We need vinegar, baking soda,
Uh-huh.
food coloring, red food coloring,
Uh-huh.
and we need 4 different types of Play-Doh.
What about this? This dishwashing liquid. This detergent.
Yeah, I don't know that. And we need
Dish detergent.
we need dish detergent, and we need 2 little cups.
Okay, and
red
then what's
and
this?
blue.
A pan of what?
So we have a pan.
Mhm.
See, we have a pan of dirt that
Dirt.
my dad got outside. So
Okay.
let's get started to the video.
You want to mold it. And when we say mold it, you're going to take these out.
We gotta use all 4 of them.
What
No
color
one
do you
needs
want to
all-
use?
Which two?
This is yellow.
And then you say
Yellow,
two for
green,
another time.
blue,
No,
and
no.
orange.
I want blue
Blue and what?
and orange.
Okay.
So get you some blue and orange, or whatever color you prefer, Play-Doh. No, it's not that. So now what you gotta do,
I need a round cutter.
you don't need a cutter. You gotta build it around, like that. I need more.
But I want it flat, like mom.
Now, put it around like that. There we go. That's it. You gotta put it all around.
Finish doing that one.
Look, see,
Finish
look.
doing that one.
Look.
You so focused on this one. I'm trying to help you out so when you get done with that, you can just put this one on there.
Look at that. Look at that. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. You got it. Now you gotta have the other side. Remind me. Get that
There you
one.
go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, now look. See, now you got your volcano.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Show them your
Ooh.
volcano.
Hold it up. Look at that.
See.
How you mold it. You turn it around. Let them see the orange. Yeah. Nice.
And then now, how do we get this? Remember?
So how do we put this?
No, so we got a red Solo cup, and we cut it in half.
Evenly in half. Well,
Right.
And then
As
what
even
we
as
do?
possible, right in half. So, as my wife say, children, if you're going to try to do this, make sure you let your parents know it's some cutting involved.
Yeah, and it
Red
makes-
Solo
it
cup,
makes-
just cut it in half,
Yeah.
and you're going to take the bottom half. What you going to do with the bottom half? Remember?
oh, we didn't tell them how we came about this part though either.
Okay. Go ahead.
So this is just a little
yeah,
like a
Little
little
pottery.
right, like a little flower pot or whatever
Right.
that you can get from. All these products can be purchased from Family Dollar, you guys, or Dollar Tree, or something like that. So they're all
And-
cheap.
and this
And
kinda
affordable.
looks like it looks pretty good. And the outside, it looks pretty dull on the outside.
So what we did was we cut out the bottom,
Yeah.
and again, make sure you have a parent involved because it involves cutting with scissors or
And
whatever
make
you
sure
have.
make sure you don't do it by yourself.
Okay. All right. I think we told them. Okay. All right. So now, what are we gonna do with our volcano pit?
So
Or which one's
now,
the pit?
This is the lava pit.
Lava pit.
Yeah, that's
So
lava
we take
pit.
the lava pit, we hold this up, and once we cut our Solo cup right in half, look at that. It fits right. Let's let it go. Right underneath. No, push it
You want to
through.
show them?
Right here.
Right.
Yeah. Just try to stay.
Should we put the Play-Doh like molded into that?
Oh,
Uh,
we
so it
can
won't
put
fall-
we
it's
can
gonna
put
stay
on
in
the
place.
plate.
it's not.
Oh, okay.
We can put on the
Because
plate.
once we
We can put on
Play-Doh
the plate.
stinks.
We can put on the plate.
right, so now you're gonna take your volcano and your volcano pit, and you're gonna sit it right there.
In the middle. In the middle. Push it down.
Why would Play-Doh? You know what doesn't make sense?
Ooh.
Play-Doh in the dirt.
It's getting warm. We're about to start our ingredients.
We already did one ingredient. So what? So what's the next?
And that's my
ingredient?
wife's-
Hold on one second.
As
That's how I'm
wife
gonna do. Say it.
accurately suggested.
Bake it until you bake it.
Because you do have a little bit extra Play-Doh in there. Just kind of stick it onto the cup there to kind of hold the cup in place for a little bit. It's not going to go down too far, but, you know, every little bit helps. So just stick it on there. You got a little bit extra, use it.
That's what I said. When you have more wiggle room to do what you gotta do.
So what?
So then we're going to take this. We got a house. Here, put the house where you think the house should go.
I think it should go right here.
Go right there.
Okay.
Then we got a car.
Yeah.
He's going to try to get away from the lava.
He's trying to he's gonna.
No.
No, put the car by the house because that's the person's car.
On the
He's gonna be behind the house so he can be protected by the lava.
Okay, and then we got a person.
Yeah, the person is gonna be he's gonna be next to his car.
Why are you trying to put everything in one spot?
Why, yeah, you put the house and somebody in the house, and then this man, he walking home.
Right, he's a
And
neighbor.
he over there.
He's just a neighbor.
Yeah, and the car.
Maybe the people in that house don't even have a car.
Right.
Yeah,
He's trying to drive home. There you go.
Trying to just find his way home.
All right. So now you're gonna have to mix your ingredients, son.
Okay. So what else?
No, we're not gonna put this
In
first.
order.
Hold this.
Gotta let them know the order.
Okay, so you want to put some baking soda?
Yeah, we need some baking soda. How many cups?
Oh, that's not baking soda. That smells. One. You're gonna put 3 teaspoons.
Use the spoon, son.
Teaspoons. You're gonna fill it up, not overly. Put some more in there.
Fill it up.
Yep, that's fine. Put 2 more teaspoons. Put some more in there. Oh.
Is this fine?
No. You need a full spoon. Let me show you.
Full spoon.
Like that. And then the last spoon, you want them to see. Because you want them to... But first, put it on the spoon. You want them to see how much you're putting on that per spoon. Well, you didn't put that much, honey. Bring it back some. Bring it back some. All right, that's enough.
I put it too much.
Well, at first. So, about this much on each spoon. All right, hopefully you see it. Okay, put it in there. Oh, you're so messy, child. But, gotta get you a lab coat.
I messed up.
Your desk, it doesn't matter. Oh, I'll clean it up. Yeah. Okay, so I guess we're gonna do vinegar next.
Yeah, you're gonna do vinegar.
Yeah, it's a little heavy, huh?
Yeah. It's a little heavy there. And then the
Alright, so
baking soda.
you can pretty much gauge how. Oh my god, I messed up. See, I thought it was gonna fit. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so that's enough.
Ooh,
It stinks. Yes, vinegar has a smell.
All right, we're gonna get our detergent.
There you go. Let Daddy do that one.
Yeah, let Daddy do that one because
Yeah.
that's... Oh, stinks.
We're gonna do 1, 2,
It lied.
3, and then Mommy gonna show you about the food coloring.
Okay, I want to do the food coloring. So how do you open it?
Twist that off.
And
you're gonna do the
some
same.
squirts.
Yeah, just because you're not gonna need a whole lot. You don't have. You don't have to really measure the
Put
food
about
coloring.
3 squirts. 1, 2,
Wait,
It's gonna be red enough.
3.
That's 2. And 3.
That's 3. Okay. Well, put 1 more. Put 4. 4 for good measure.
I want
A little bit more because you didn't put.
5. Okay, so you want to do a lot of food color, so 5.
No, I want 9.
No, that's okay. That's enough.
Yeah, I want 5.
Okay. All right.
And
That's
then,
a lot of food
so-
coloring.
Twist this on. I'll twist this on. All right. Now you can shake it up.
not too hard, just like that. There
Give
you
it
go.
a good sift.
What's coming out?
Well, you want to make sure that the
You gotta-
baking soda,
You
right?
gotta mix it all in. Yeah, you gotta mix it in now, son. You shake it.
Oh, I smell it.
Me too. Do you smell it? Me too.
And you get it all in there. It's beginning to look strawberry now. At first, it was like a peach.
Okay, let's see what you got.
So now is he gonna pour it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh.
Okay.
Are you ready?
You gotta open it.
Okay, as soon as you open it, you gotta hurry up and pour it in there, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
You got it?
I'm sorry, I did too tight.
Go.
Hurry up, pour it in there. Hurry up.
Pour.
Wait, There we go.
It's so messy.
Oh, I think we need more.
We need more?
Yep.
We need more.
Yeah, we need more.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, we need more.
Like 4 times that amount?
Yeah.
Oh, so he's gonna need a big bottle. Oh my god. Is that ever gonna do anything?
Yeah, we need a lot. We need some more baking soda.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Alright, so we will be back after we fill it up.
Ours are a good one. Oh, you might have made too much.
It's the white lava.
Oh!
But where's the red lava?
Because you know what?
Put some red on top. We supposed to pour it in there.
No, the vinegar go in last.
Oh, okay.
So that's
Now we
my
got
fault.
restart. Now we got restart.
That's my fault. So you put all that stuff in there,
Now we have to restart.
and then lastly you pour the vinegar in there.
Now we have to restart.
Okay. He keep on saying now we have to restart.
So now we're gonna. So let's do it.
If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is Elijah's first DIY / science experiment.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Oh yeah, you didn't get any of that in there. That baking soda's just sitting there. All right, now we have to hurry up and pour the vinegar in there,
You
right?
have to hurry. Just,
Oh.
Yeah, we need a spoon.
Wait. Shh.
Get all that in there. Get all that in there.
Wait, I got it there. I got the rest.
Okay.
We need some more.
That's
If you
good.
guys like to see like
That's
little
good.
social experiment, not social experiments,
Okay.
like little science experiments,
Now,
comment down below,
just
and we
hit
will
it.
definitely give it a try.
Okay, that's good. Go ahead on hit
For
it.
how much? Till it
Just
start
hit it.
fizzing?
Yeah. We're gonna hit it with the vinegar. Uh-oh.
Oh!
let it go, let it go.
Oh, he's trying to move his he's gonna run right into it.
My house just exploded.
Oh my
I want to
goodness.
get this lava.
It's a success.
I think we have to work more on the color or
Right,
something.
we gotta get the color down, but
Yeah, but with the color down
So
there.
this is what you're going to take to school tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, but we have to put lava everywhere.
you're crazy.
All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow us on social media. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Oh,
Peace
I guess
out.
we could have shown you
Right. Y'all saw it
the
explode though.
project.
And I want to put them inside.
No.
Oh my God, they're over here. They got sunken into the lava. All right, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Peace